Ballasting is really quite helpful. I was thinking of giving it a try. But is this thoroughly safe?
We of course recommend that tire professionals take care of the procedure, but you can also do it yourself if you so wish. You'll just need proper equipment, and you need to know what you are doing.
Okay, let's get started. But wait a minute, will there be any negative impacts I should know? I mean, won't the tire get rigid?
It may, because filling liquids alters the characteristics of the tire. They may get more rigid and less flexible. Their rolling resistance increases as well. This makes the tire, rims, and axles prone to damage. Some manufacturers advise against adding fluids to rear tires because it can weaken the tractor's road ability. Especially when you're driving in high gear on roadways, the ride may become worse. At lower speeds, there is no notable difference in ride quality.
Sounds like this is only for occasional use?
Absolutely. So we're going to ballast Drew's tires with a mixture of 20% water and 80% calcium chloride. Most Agra wheels have combined air and liquid filling valves, so this is easy to commit. First, insert a jack under the axle and raise it up until it gets in contact with the axle. Then, turn the wheel so that the valve is in top position. Now, deflate the tire. Connect the liquid filling valve and turn on the liquid. Introduce the liquid into the tire until it flows out of the drain pipe. Stop there. Remember, never fill the tire completely. Next, replace the air valve and inflate to the target pressure. When you're finished, clean all the metal parts carefully as they may have got into contact with the liquid and be exposed to corrosion. There, we're done. Now, there is less air in the tire, so it is important that you check the inflation pressure frequently. Important checkpoints. Use pumps with rust-resistant pressure gauges. Use protective clothing and glasses. Be aware of imposing metal parts to corrosive antifreeze liquids. Check the inflation pressure frequently.